Earthquake, presently in Eden. How can we be saved in earthquake?
You need to find a safe place or home. You need to show to all your family an electricity switch, tap water and tap gas, and how to close them. You need to know where the emergency exits are.
How should we act after the quake?
After the quake, you need to get out of the building. You need to stand in open ground. You need to get out of the building. Turn off the gas valve and the main power switch.
What should we do if we are
trapped? Try to find air to breathe.
How can this prevention
influence? Could it help you? We hope that it was informative.